Good afternoon and welcome to all. So today we are going to discuss about generation time. First of all, definition. Generation time, it is the average interval between the birth of an individual and the birth of its offspring. And the bacterial growth rates during the phase of exponential growth, the exponential growth, lag phase, log phase, like that we have already discussed earlier. So the bacterial growth rates during the phase of exponential growth under the standard nutritional conditions such as culture medium, temperature, pH, etc. It may define the bacterium's generation time. So these are the factors which determine bacterium's generation time. Generation times for bacteria vary from about 12 minutes to 24 hours or more. It ranges in between 12 minutes to 24 hours. The generation time for E. coli in the laboratory is 15 to 20 minutes. But in the intestinal tract, the coliform's generation, coliforms means E. coli, coliform bacteria, that means example is E. coli. The generation time is estimated to be 12 to 24 hours. For most known bacteria that can be cultured, this generation times range from about 15 minutes to 1 hour. So, for other types of bacteria which can be cultured, this generation time ranges in between 15 minutes to 1 hour. For example, symbionts such as Rhizobium tends to have long generation time. So this generation time for one bacteria to another, it may differ. Okay. Many lithotrophs such as nitrifying bacteria, they also have long generation times. Some bacteria that are pathogens such as Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Treponema pallidum have especially long generation time. That's why it takes long time to see the growth within the culture media. So, and this is thought to be advantage in their virulence. So, these are also responsible for the more beneficial for making virulence factors. Now we are giving the generation time for some common bacteria under optimal conditions of growth. First of all, bacteria, that is, for first example is Escherichia coli, and the medium which the bacteria is grown is glucose salt medium. Generation time we can express in minutes. I think the this minutes is that of the generation time. Okay. For E. coli, it is 17 minutes. For Bacillus megaterium, the medium is sucrose salts and also the generation time 25. So each bacteria has its own generation time. It may vary from one bacteria to another. Next one is Streptococcus lactis. This Streptococcus lactis, the medium which it is cultured is milk and the generation time is 26. In the case of Streptococcus lactis again, when we are putting this instead of milk, now we are culturing in lactose broth. So the generation time can be increased to 48 minutes. In the case of Staphylococcus aureus, that I have given short term, that is S. aureus, which means Staphylococcus aureus. We can write in this form also. Here we are using heart infusion broth for culturing the Staph aureus. So the generation time vary in between 27 to 30 minutes. Next is Lactobacillus acidophilus. This bacteria, when we are growing this bacteria in the milk, and the generation time is 66 to 87 minutes. Other one, Rhizobium japonicum. And here we are using mannitol salt yeast extract agar for the culture of this bacterium. Generation time ranges from 344 to 461 minutes. Then next, another example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. We are using synthetic broth. Here the generation time is high, that is 792 to 932 minutes. It ranges. So this Mycobacterium tuberculosis etc. have long generation time. Next is Treponema pallidum, which is responsible for causing syphilis. Here we are culturing this Treponema pallidum in rabbit testes because it doesn't grow in normal culture medium. That's why we are inoculating this organism in the animals such as rabbit testes. And here the generation time is 198 minutes. So these are the examples of the bacterium showing different or varying generation time. Next is the calculation of generation time. When growing exponentially by binary fission, there is an increase in the bacterial population that it can be given in a geometric progression. If we start with one cell, when it divides, it may result in the formation of 2 cells in the first generation, then 4 cells in the second generation, then 8 cells in the third generation. Like that, it may increase from one generation to another. So the generation time, it is the time interval which are required for the cells or population to divide, and it can be denoted as G. Generation time G is equal to T, that is time in minutes or hours, by N. That means N, small n is number of generation. So G equal to T by N. T is the time interval in hours or minutes. Capital B, it is the number of bacteria at the beginning of the time interval. Small b, it is the number of the bacteria at the end of the time interval. Small n is number of generations. That means number of times the cell population doubles during the generation. That is number of times the cell population doubles during the time interval. That is the number of generation, which is denoted as small n. So this is the equation. Small b is equal to capital B into 2n. This equation is an expression of growth by binary fission, and this type of equation is applicable to the bacteria which may multiply or grow by binary fission. Then next is the small n. You can solve the small n. That means log b equal to log capital B plus n log 2. Therefore n is equal to log b minus log small b minus log capital B, that is equal to by log b, log 2. Then small n is equal to log b minus log b, and the value of this log 2 is 0.301. N equal to 3.3 log b by b. So G equal to T by N, and we can solve the G, that is generation time, that is T equal to the 3.3 log b by b. Now give an example. What is the generation time of a bacterial population that increases from 10,000 cells to 10,000 cells in first 4 hours of growth? So in the first 4 hours, it can increase from 10,000 to 10,000. So this is the graph showing the log phase as well as exponential phase. So similarly, G is equal to T by 3.3 log B by B. T, that is 240 minutes, and by 3.3 log 107.104. Therefore G equal to 240 minutes by 3.3 into 3. Therefore The answer will be, generation time will be 24 minutes. Thank you.